So when I mentioned that I made a mistake in uploading a filler video to my side channel, many people responded, "You have a side channel?" Even though the link to the channel is in the description of every video I've uploaded since 2016. With that said, and with my previous experiences regarding people not reading video descriptions, I've decided to make a tutorial. Here's how to read a video description. How you read a video description is slightly different depending on the platform you watch a video on. First, I'll cover videos on the desktop version of YouTube. When you click on a YouTube video, you have the video window by itself, and then the title and so forth. If you scroll down the page just a tiny bit, you'll find a small amount of the video's description alongside other information, like the video game that the video is about, for example. Underneath that is the Show More button. If you click the Show More button, the rest of the description pops out. Then you can read the rest of the description and get wonderful information that just might not be in the video itself. For example, if you scroll down in this particular video description of mine, you'll find a stretch of dashed lines alongside a host of miscellaneous links, including my Patreon, my Twitter, and my other channel. The next thing I have to mention is the mobile version of YouTube, or at least the Android mobile version of YouTube. This one is a little trickier. There's no snippet of a video description like there is on the desktop version. The only way you can uncover the entire description is by tapping on the tiny arrow to the right of the title. But as soon as you do that, the entire description pops out. Then you can read it just like you can on desktop. All that juicy information, like an invite to my Discord server. I think that's all I can really do. If you need an even more basic tutorial like how to read in general, I'm afraid to say that you're probably too young to be on this site, or some other thing. Anyway, thanks for watching.